cage them. It's not your place to curate them for your own likings. Izokubuya ikhama yakho, don't worry. Sometimes uthi uyasiza kanti cha wena usuthathela umuntu an opportunity to be themselves. With everyone, people should bloom. People should explore. People should try out new things. And umuntu uphiwe amandla ukuthi noma ungazama izinto zifeile, you'll always come back. If you don't have leyo nto engqondweni yakho lokho kwazi, yikho nizohlezi nibunyalele kanje. You'll always come back from whatever ethelwa kuwo ngama yini ngathi uyaboshwa namhlanje, you'll come back better if ingqondo le ivulekile ne-intuition. Baningi abantu ababoshwa but they're doing better than you when ungakazwe awuna ngisho criminal awunalutho, but they're doing so better because law awakening babambe le tolongweni angithi babodwa lapha aba-distage ilutho laba bafocuse kabi. They're trying to survive and they are trying to be out of that place. Yes, abanye makule psychic ward bahlele ingumeni ezimhlophe. But they come back better than you. You wonder why? Because they have time to reflect. They have time to connect with self. Njalo moya uNkulunkulu uyocela. When are you going to connect with yourself, your true self? Because once yawalento wayitraina ngani uzokutshela mhlawumbe ukuthi akuhambi uvuka manje uyodayisa amagunya ekhonile. You won't do it because une status umhle. But lawo magunya ngakushintshela ubomi. Lawo magunya will allow you to move from one step to another. Yeah, you understand the end. Lawo magunya you can meet the right people. Maybe the people abasebenza where you studied. Like, hey, your sis, yes. Awunazi mhlawumbe umuntu lapho one engineering yazi emsebenzini kunini sifuna umuntu one engineering qualification. Oh, loya. Because as a person, you need to keep on moving. You need to keep moving. A moving man meets his luck. When we move and yeah, we are moving because we show up. We show up. Wakala baba na certain agenda, certain status. Mina nginamafollower. Mina ngilokhu. I can't do this because I'm famous. I can't do this because wait. Ngeke uzuyithola imove yakho. Some of the things you awaken usendleleni. Ezinye izinto uyifunda usendleleni. At your lowest. So you lose that car. So uhamba ngeenyawo. That's when you get your time to think properly. Mawusa driver, you were cautious. I was connected with self. It will force you noma ngandlelani to go back to yourself. Because you lose a lot. And you lose people, things. But purpose is very important. Trust me. I-direction yokuthi ungubani, ukuzazi komuntu ukuthi ungubani. Why are you here? Beyond the physical form. It will change your life. Trust me. Lalela mina. It will change your life. Because even noma emhlabeni uhlupheka manje, izokubonisa ukuthi where you're supposed to be and how to be. Because you know, unohlaka lakho. Wonke umuntu like unohlaka lakho. Even our kids. We know what our kids are supposed to be medical doctors. That will work out for them. Ngathi I'm a medical doctor 100. If my kids are meant to be, because we can interpret it. That's the gift. Wonke umuntu mayezalwa simbekela uhlaka phansi. We know it's okay. Something in media, something in dentistry, something in what. Then we groom them to become their true self from a young age. Because some of you guys, you are meant to be in sports. But you're 45, you missed that chance. However, you can still go, not as a tennis player, but as something better. But nyabazali bakho bayibona usemncane, bagruma to be that. Ngemanje uyi-tennis player, i-star especially. Sometimes other people have the opportunity, noma the luck to see it, especially seers. But abakwazi ukujula ngayo, to see where exactly. Where exactly? In what field? In what career? In what role? Right? And whatever that you do, always also prioritize on the things that make you feel better, things that make you feel happy. Always applaud yourself for things, even for the smallest things. Jwayele ukuyibonga for gratitude for all the smaller nyana things that you couldn't do. Izokusiza. But your purpose will give you meaning, a meaningful life, things to do. And there's most. So you can preach, you can cry, you can help people heal their traumas. Once you find it, man, izos open up and you live ukufulfilla yona. Injalo nje ayijiki. People will mock you. Niyababona nala benza ama-joke. I don't care. For me, I've found my purpose at such a young age. Ngiyitholile yami. And wow. Indlela engangidepressed ngayo for iminyaka. You won't believe your eyes. For iminyaka ngidepressed